Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use clear cells action in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to work with this Excel file where we will use clear cells in worksheet action in Power Automate Desktop. I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. First of all, what I will do is I will use attach to running Excel instance. From here in the document name, I will choose the name of the file, which is challenge.xlsx. An instance of it will be stored in the Excel instance variable. I will click on save. And then from here, what I will do is I will use this clear cells in Excel worksheet. As you can see, Excel instance is already selected. Now we have an option called clear. Under this, if you see that we have range of cells relative to active cell and named cell and single cell. So let's start with the single cell first of all. And here, once you choose the single cell, you need to specify the column and row. So let's say I want to remove the data or clear the data from the second column and third row. I will click on save. Now I will run the bot. And here you can see that data from the second column and third row is cleared. Now we will see another option, which is named cells. In the named cell, you need to specify from which column and row you want to clear the data. So let's say I want to remove the data from A column and from the second row to B column, fifth row, right? So you need to specify column name and the cell or row number and colon, then again column name and row number. Now I will click on save and run the bot. Execution has been completed, and here you can see that data has been cleared from A2 to B5, right? So this is how you can use named cells in clear cells in Excel worksheet action. Now we will take a look at range of cells related to active cell. So it means that you need to specify related to which cell data needs to be cleared. So, and here you can specify the direction, whether it has to target the cells to the left from the active cell or to the right. Okay, so I will choose right. Now we need to define from which cell we want to clear the data, right? So let's say I want to remove the data from third row, and the column number is going to be, let's say, 3 columns from the active cell. Okay, I will click on save. Now if you click on advanced, we have an option to activate the cell. So here we have an option called activate cell in Excel worksheet, and then we need to define the absolutely specified cell, and then here I will choose column B and row 2, or I can say that column number 2 and row number 2. I will click on save. So what it will do is, first it will attach to the Excel and then activate the cell and then it will clear the data to 3 row and 3 cells. It will clear the data, and here you can see the direction is y-axis direction is above, so I will choose below so that it can go to down. So it will clear the data including the second row and then the remaining 3 rows till the 3 additional columns. Okay, now I will click on run. Execution has been completed. Now here you see that we had defined that it has to clear the cell, second column and second row, and then 3 columns to the right and 3 rows from the currently active cell, right? So this is how you can use range of cells related to active cell action in Power Automate Desktop. Now we have range of cells. So this is our last option, right? Here we need to define or specify from where till which row we want to clear the data. So let's say I have column E, row number 2, and let's say in the column E itself till the 7 row. I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Execution is completed, and here you can see that it has cleared the data from E2 to E7, right? When you are using range of cells action, you can also make use of get first free column or row from Excel worksheet. So it will give you the first free column number and first free row number, and you can use those variables here. So let's say in the column F you want to clear the data from the second row till the end of it. So I will specify F, and here what I will do is I will use the variable which is first free row. I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Execution is completed, and here you can see that entire data from the column F has been cleared. So this is how you can use cleared cells in Excel worksheet action in Power Automate Desktop. This action is a new addition in the 2.42 version of Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.